Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Zimmerman. I thought I would share a story that I love with you. It's called Today I Feel Silly and Other Moods That Make My Day by Jamie Lee Curtis, illustrated by Laura Cornell. Now, in the story, you're going to hear a lot of talk about what kind of mood you're in. What do you think the word mood means? Well, you're right. It means how you're feeling about something, and your mood can change throughout the day. You might be happy, then you might be sad, then you might get excited or angry or cranky or joyful. So the word mood is how you're feeling about something at any time during the day. Let's get started with our story. Today I Feel Silly and Other Moods That Make My Day by Jamie Lee Curtis. Title page. Today I feel silly. Mom says it's the heat. I put rouge on the cat and gloves on my feet. I ate noodles for breakfast and pancakes at night. I dressed like a star and was quite a sight. Today my mood's bad. I feel grumpy and mean. I picked up my room. It still isn't clean. I forgot to feed Franny and water the fern, and the cocoa I'm making is starting to burn. Today I'm angry. You'd better stay clear. My face is all pinched and red ear to ear. My friends had a play date. They left me out. My feelings are hurt. I want to shout. Today I'm joyful. My mood is first rate. My friend is sleeping over. She said she can't wait. My freckles are popping. The sun is so bright. I ran in the relay with all my might. Today I'm confused. My life's getting hairy. Sam says he's my boyfriend, but he also likes Mary. My mom told my father he might be a dad. I might get a brother. I'm not sure I'm glad. Today I'm quiet. My mom understands. She gave me 2 ice creams and then we held hands. We went to the movies and then had a bite. I cried just a little and then felt all right. Today I'm excited. There's so much to do. I'm going to sell cookies and lemonade too. I'm starting a club to go clean up the park, and I've got a big crush on my teacher named Mark. Today I'm cranky, so nothing seems right. I have diarrhea and broke my new kite. Mom dyed her hair orange. My dad shaved his head. My tooth came in crooked. This family is weird. Today I'm lonely. I feel so small. My auntie's away. I wish that she'd call. My mom's working late and my dad has the flu. And although I've got stuff, I've got nothing to do. Today I'm happy. I'm walking on air. I learned how to knit and to French braid my hair. I did my first solo in hip-hop and jazz. This day's been so great. I am full of pizzazz. Today I'm discouraged and frustrated, see. I tried rollerblading and fell on my knee. I really want straight hair, but mine's curly Q. Should I cut it or grow it? Oh, what should I do? Today I'm sad. My mood's heavy and gray. There's a frown on my face, and it's been there all day. My best friend and I had a really big fight. She said that I tattled, and I know that she's right. Today my mood's great. It's the absolute best. I rode a 2-wheeler and passed my math test. I played soccer at recess, and we won the game. I sang in the show, and my parents both came. I'd rather feel silly, excited, or glad than cranky or grumpy, discouraged, or sad. But moods are just something that happen each day. Whatever I'm feeling inside is okay. Well, how do you feel today? I hope you enjoyed this story. Today I Feel Silly and Other Moods That Make My Day. I hope you're having a great day, and I will see you soon.